Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of stir. Move a spoon or other implement around in a liquid or other substance in order to mix it thoroughly. For example, stir the batter until it is just combined. The second definition of stir. Move or cause to move slightly. For example, nothing stirred except the wind. American pronunciation. Stir. Stir. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Stir. Say. Stir. Stir means move spoon or other implement round and round in. Stir. Stir. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The mixture was stirred until the solutions turned colorless. Now, repeat after me. The mixture was stirred until the solutions turned colorless. The second practice. His left hand was stirring his food with his spoon. Now, repeat after me. His left hand was stirring his food with his spoon.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.